Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiffany. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the mini Bas Relief Choker by Vivienne Westwood. So if you are interested, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me, and check out my Instagram, and we'll get right into this. So here she is. I'm absolutely in love with this piece of jewellery. With the unboxing, I was slightly underwhelmed with the packaging. I don't know why in my head I imagined it to come with like a ribbon around it or in like a flatter sort of box, but when I opened this I was just a bit like, oh, okay. Not what I expected. It doesn't sort of give off that luxury vibe with the jewellery. Like, this just looks like something I can just chuck in the recycling bin. It doesn't give the sort of vibe of, oh my gosh, I want to keep this and display it in my wardrobe, or you know, like store things in it. It doesn't really give that vibe, so I just will probably just get rid of this and recycle it. If I was giving this necklace as a gift to somebody, I would personally like jazz it up a bit and add a ribbon around it and put it in a gift bag, because it doesn't give that sort of vibe. It's just quite plain and grey. So yeah, but with the necklace itself, I absolutely love it. Some details about the necklace: it's called the mini Bas Relief Choker, and on the website the description says the mini Bas Relief Pearl Choker forms part of our classic collection and uses the orb and Saturn ring as its inspiration. The orb is studded with swarovski crystals and sits in a centre of string of faux pearls. The material of the necklace itself, like the charm and the clasp, is made of brass. So do note that a lot of like designers, their costume jewellery is made of brass. So like Christian Dior, Fendi, a lot of their costume jewellery is brass. So I sort of give myself a limit on how much I would spend when it comes to costume jewellery from designers, because it's not real gold at the end of the day. But yes, this retails for £125, so compared to other brands, a bit on the cheaper side. The other details and features: the chain length of this choker is 39 centimeters. The orb dimensions: the height is 1.6 centimeters in height and the width is 2.6 centimeters. So it is quite a dainty little chain. I quite like the orb and the way it looks. I didn't realise there was Swarovski crystals on there, but it does glisten really nicely. The pearls, I think they look alright. My mum, when she saw the necklace, she thought the pearls did look a bit cheap, but personally I don't have a problem with them. I think they look okay. The jewellery itself, it is costume jewellery, so it's not anything that I would wear in the shower or swimming or anything like that. This really is a piece of jewellery that I'll put on when I wear and take it off when I'm not wearing it. I wouldn't leave it on because at the end of the day it's not gold. Plus the pearls are across like a string. I wouldn't want to get that wet and damage or anything like that. The clasp of the choker is only like a single hole clasp, so the choker is just one size. So yeah, I mean I've put on quite a bit of weight at the moment and it still feels alright. It doesn't feel to the point that I'm like suffocating in it, but I do think when I lose a bit of weight it will sit a bit nicer on me. But yes, I absolutely love the colour of this. I went for the yellow gold because it complements my skin tone a lot better. I have quite yellow and warm undertones, so whenever I get jewellery I lean towards rose gold or yellow gold, but I felt with yellow gold I could wear it with a lot more. It does come in silver and rose gold as well, so there are those options. The silver one is the one that I see mostly around like on Instagram and TikTok and things like that, and the rose gold I've started to see here and there as well, but the yellow gold was the one for me personally that I really loved. When I do wear this, I usually don't wear earrings in all my ear holes or just like small dainty earrings because it is quite a statement piece of jewellery. I feel like it clashes a lot with bigger earrings and bigger hoops and things, so if I had like my hair up, usually when I have my hair up I wear bigger earrings, but I wouldn't if I'm wearing this choker because it does clash quite a bit. So I either take out my other earrings in my ear holes or just keep like sort of like dainty little huggies like I've got in now, and everything just sort of like blends together nicely rather than being a bit too much. With this choker, what I like about it is it looks really nice dressed up and down. So I've got some pictures of where I wore it with my birthday dress. The dress, if you like it, is from Misguided. It had like pearl shoulder straps, and then it just complemented with this necklace really well. But I've got other days where I've worn like this necklace with a t-shirt and jeans, and what I love about this necklace is that it sort of elevates the whole outfit. So my sort of vibe is like chill glam, so like I like to, like, you know, if I'm dressing casual, t-shirt and jeans, but then jazz up my outfit with jewellery and a nice handbag. And this is one of those like statement pieces of jewellery that really jazzes up an outfit. So I could be wearing something casual, but this just ties everything in together and just elevates the whole look. So I really do think it gives like a nice classy vibe to any sort of outfit. So if you are looking for a piece of like statement jewellery that you can wear dressed up and dressed down, I do recommend this. With pearly sort of stuff, I mean, like if I'm wearing chunky gold other jewellery, then I wouldn't wear this, but it does look really nice as well when you wear like matching sort of little pearl earrings. With this like satin orb and pendant, they do have a lot of jewellery with this, like normal string necklaces with chains, or like the earrings, or bigger choker necklaces. Like, this is the mini version. They've got larger ones and then ones with lots of rows of pearls and things. So there's a large variety. I feel like this is probably the best one if you want to have it with an outfit that you can wear casually as well. So yeah, I do really recommend this piece, and I have got quite a bit of wear out of it, and I do continue to hope to in the future as well. So far I haven't had any issue with like not being able to wear it in winter or anything. Like I'm wearing a jumper now, which fine has the detail here, but if I couldn't wear it like over a turtleneck or anything like that. But I think maybe I can't at the moment with how much that I weigh, but I feel like in general it's maybe not, I wouldn't wear a choker with a turtleneck, but you know what I mean, like sort of nice jumpers that have this sort of neckline where there's space for jewellery. It sits really nice there, and then in summer I can wear it with pretty much anything. So yeah, I have got quite a bit of use out of this, and yeah, if you do have any questions about it or want to see any other information, then let me know and ask below, and I will answer as many questions and anything that you want to know. But yes, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, I do all sorts of videos, from handbag unboxings, unboxing all sorts of things, lifestyle, fashion and everything. So if you are interested, then join the channel. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.